In here you need to type your country code. If you don't know your country code, you can press on the country tab and find your country with this list view. Then you need to type your phone number, then press on the arrow key, which is next. Okay, is it the current phone number or not? You will check it and find out, okay, is my current number or I need to edit it. I press on the yes, and it does not matter that, for example, your SIM card is on your phone or into your, for example, old phone. It does not matter. You'll receive the SMS. Here you need to type your first name and last name. Last name is not optional. If you don't want to type it, don't type it, but you need to type the first name. If you want to add a photo, press on the add a photo, upload it from your gallery or take a photo. Because right now my face is recording, I don't press on the take a photo because we will receive problems. If you press on upload it on the gallery, for example, you can select this one, choose the place that you want, you can zoom in, zoom out, and for example you can brush it. Okay, you can add text on it, do this kind of things, mirror it. In here, change the expose, you'll see it lighter, change the exchange, and change the soften speed. In here, you can change the arrangement, for example, do this kind of things, then press on the done. You can edit it, then press on the done, and press on the OK. So it is your profile photo. In here, type your first name, and if you don't want to type your last name, don't type it. It's not necessary, but the first name is necessary. Press on the next row. Okay. Right now we are on the Telegram. You will see welcome to the Telegram.